Jigna Patel completed her MCA in 2014 and has 4 years of experience. Now she wants to make her career in software testing, so she joined STAD Solution. Let's hear from her.
Hello, my name is Jigna Patel. I have completed my MCA from Somla College in 2014. After that, I have a total of 4 years experience. First 2 years experience as a system admin, and another 2 years experience as an email marketer. I got the reference of STAD Solution from my college friend. I have learned so many things in STAD Solution, like how to make a BRD, then FRD, how to make test plan, how to make test cases and test scenario. I also have worked so many live projects like Facebook, then WhatsApp. Then I also test many game apps like Wordoku and Food Maker app. Then I also test many websites like eBay, then Google, Amazon and all. Thank you.